Spoken Case Studies by Mr. Eden. On paper 1, in the Hazardous Earth section, you will need to know a located example about managing earthquake hazards from an emerging country. Your example is the Haiti Earthquake of 2010. This earthquake hit Haiti, which is in the Caribbean Sea, and had a magnitude of 7.0 with aftershocks of 5.9. It was caused by an earthquake along a transform, otherwise known as passive, otherwise known as conservative plate margin, which is also known as a plate boundary, between the North American and the Caribbean plates. These two plates built up pressure via friction as the mantle's convection currents forced them to move side by side. There had been no major earthquake in this region in the previous 250 years. The impacts. The disaster claimed over 200,000 lives and injured over 300,000 people. The estimated damage was around $14 billion. 1.5 million people were made homeless. Water sources were polluted as a result of broken sewers. This meant that there were outbreaks of cholera. Gas mains fractured, which resulted in fires raging across the capital city of Port-au-Prince. The presidential palace and hospitals collapsed in Port-au-Prince. The head office of the United Nations collapsed with 100 people killed. Responses. Many large refugee camps have been set up on open land such as golf courses because people were too afraid to return indoors as they were worried about strong aftershocks. International aid donations reached $14 billion. 400,000 bottles of water and 300,000 food rations were dropped within 9 days. Specialist international rescue teams containing doctors travelled to Haiti from the UK, USA, Canada and Mexico. The UK government funded 115 doctors, 920 nurses and 740 support staff.